All right, let's dig right into the charts. Good morning, y'all. Hope y'all had a great weekend. We are looking at the 4-hour chart on our one Apex funded trading account, the 50K traded account. And by the way, today's the last day to pass a challenge in one day. Otherwise, you'll be following the normal rules to pass a funded challenge. And Apex 80% off sale is still going on, I believe. I will confirm with y'all later. Right now, we're looking at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, it took previous week's highs and previous day's highs. There is a green bar there, and there is an imbalance. So if y'all know how price moves from external range liquidity into internal range liquidity. So I am expecting price to come back into this imbalance right here that I noted on the 4-hour candle. On the 1-hour candle, it is in line. Price does look a little weak right now. So if you look at this candle right here, it did wick up to take out liquidity and brought price down. We are expecting for price to come into this volume imbalance, into the 4-hour fair value gap. On the 15-minute chart, it shows pretty much the same thing. We're going to be looking for price at 9:30 open to possibly come down, rebalance this, and at 10 o'clock we could be looking for longs, or 9:30 can slowly bring price down, and at 10 o'clock we could be looking for shorts to rebalance all of this. All right, so looking at the 15-minute chart, price did what it was supposed to do in each session. Asia ranged, and then London session manipulated up and down. So London actually took out previous sessions PM low as well, but I am still bearish. Price does need to rebalance this in order for it to continue up. It doesn't have to, but that's just my opinion. So yeah, that's basically the trade plan, not trade till 10. We are going to be looking for shorts if price is still bearish. If not, then we'll be looking for signatures to go long. Just a reminder, we are going to be following this 1 micro. 1 micro, it's a little bit difficult for me. So I will be trading maximum 3 or 4 micros, but I will try to trade 1 micro. All right. So that's the plan, and we'll see how the rest of the day goes. I entered 2 micro contracts here thinking that this was a divergence, and then it came down below. So I didn't like that price action. I took it. I closed out this position for what? A $3.92 net profit. The reason why I closed it out early is because price is still kind of moving sideways, and I thought it was going to start to pump up to the bullish side, and I don't think that was the right direction. I kind of felt like I was rushing it, so I immediately closed it after it came back up above my buy. Price is very choppy right now, so it's not a great environment to be trading in at the moment. So I'm still bearish. I don't know why I went long. I'm glad I caught myself kind of forcing a trade. So we're just going to be waiting until price action looks a lot better. And I'm not sure if this 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. session is going to be showing us a great area to enter at the moment. It's looking like lunch and PM session is going to be a better time frame to be looking for a better setup. And I'm not saying to trade at lunch. I normally don't trade at lunch. I'm just saying that price could start moving during lunch, and the PM session could show you a better entry. I'm still expecting price to come down to this area, but we'll see. Alright, so price is kind of in that 5-minute fair value gap range, in that imbalance. I'm going to go long here. It's in line with my strategy. I'm going to, where should I put my stop? At the bottom of this fair value gap. So my stop is going to be here. Damn, that's a bit wide actually. I feel like I should have left my actually still in line with my risk, but I feel like the better entry was here. I may have FOMO'd in, y'all. Now that I know that the fair value gap is there, I am going to be moving my sell stop to here. I don't believe price should be coming back down into those lows. If it does, then I think we're going to be headed down lower anyway, so Actually, you know what? I'm going to put it to the body of this right there. Stopped out. So I am actually going to enter long here. I'm going to be targeting the same target up there. It's still respecting that order block. Okay, so I obviously got stopped out here from this long. I felt like my stop loss was maybe a bit too shallow, but you know what? It's okay. I did enter another 2 contracts here and sold it here because I didn't like the way that I entered. What I'm going to do now, because price is not moving well, I'm just going to walk away for a little bit, get a cup of coffee, clear my mind, and then come back. All right, y'all. I wanted to give y'all an update. I'm obviously not doing too well. I started revenge trading with minis. I know. Told myself I wasn't going to do that, but I am in this long trade on these 2 micros. I'm going to try to take these highs up here. Currently, I was fortunate enough to stop myself from continuing to trying to revenge trade minis. So I'm done with that. My account is down right now $420, which is way more than I wanted to, and I am at loss number 8. I don't even know what to say. There's no words. There's no words. There's no words. I'm out. I mean, I shouldn't have even entered that trade. This is so dumb. Okay, so I entered 3 micro contracts short here. I believe that we are in a market maker sell model. All of this consolidation here, and I think there's equal lows here, and there's also previous session lunch lows down there that I'm actually targeting, or as previous session lunch lows that I'm targeting, and that's in line with the 4-hour imbalance that I marked earlier this morning. So I will be targeting that. I'm not sure if it's going to hit that today because that's going to be about a 70-point drop. But, anything can happen today. We're already down 38, so that's going to be like a total of 100 points today. But we are in a market maker sell model. I kept on trying to long earlier, and I was definitely on the wrong side of the trade, right? Okay, so let's look at this trade here. The reason why I entered here is because of the bearish divergence where price failed to make a higher high over these, and this made a higher high over here. So that's why I sold 3 contracts there. And this is going to be the last trade of the day. So if this trade fails, then I'm done. I'm just going to walk away. I'm going to try to. Oh man, this is so bad. But yeah, this is it. This is my trade, and we'll watch to see how it goes. I just took profits there because it took liquidity. I'm not sure what price is doing, so I'm just gonna wait now. All right, y'all. What a day. Today was not that great of a day. The only reason why I'm saying that is because I did not follow my rules. I overtraded and I lost discipline. It shouldn't be like this, y'all. Like it really shouldn't be like this. So I am gonna show you what happened. So today, as you can see, I didn't do very well. I managed my risk. I definitely overtraded. 43 total trades, took 23 losses, 20 winning trades, ended the day net negative in $289.84. I traded minis, I traded micros, I scalped, I did everything that I was not supposed to do. The positive is that I was able to get 1 evaluation funded. So starting tomorrow, I'll have 2 funded accounts. But again, I'm only going to be tracking 1, and I'm only going to be trading 1 using that strategy that I use all the time. The new funded account, I'm going to have off to the side just in case I mess up on the other funded account. All right. So today I did $3,000 on this evaluation account. 9 trades total, 8 winning trades, 1 losing trade. My largest losing trade was $850 because I was trying to get it funded. These are my executions, not great. I literally just entered a mini because I saw price moving down and dumping, which I shouldn't have done. So I am going to be managing that trade. Let's exit. Okay, I just exited. I didn't like what I just did, so I just exited. That actually updates my performance. But yeah, these were all the mini trades that I took when I was on tilt. These are all the micro trades that I took when I was on tilt. But the trade that I took that got me back to where I should be was this one right here. There was a fair value gap after it took liquidity. I took that fair value gap down here. I sold it after it took this into this imbalance, and then price went back up into the fair value gap, came down, so I shorted another 3 contracts, and I took it right here. So yeah, that was my day. It was pretty bad. So with that scalp position, I am now in a net drawdown of $238 instead of the previous one. So overall, today was not a great day. I did bring my account back up into a manageable level, so I will be practicing my discipline again tomorrow. Man, this journey is so hard, but I will succeed. Let me know how y'all did, because today's price action was really bad. It was really difficult, and you really needed to be patient. So let me know how y'all did in the comments below. Like the video, and if you want to join me on my journey, please subscribe, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. At the end of the video, I realized that I didn't share with y'all the updated performance summary after I took that NQ mini scalp at the end that y'all saw that I shouldn't have taken because it was very risky. I literally got lucky. Today was all luck. Today had no skill. Whoever's watching and learning how to trade, do not do what I do. All right? Do not do what I do. So now I've ended the day with a net drawdown of $237.94. Yeah, just don't do what I do. Really don't do what I do. I mean, I was negative $928 at one point of the day, at 1 p.m. actually, and it just didn't feel great. Trading shouldn't be like this, y'all. Trading definitely should not be like this. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. Catch y'all tomorrow.